My wife had went to church, so I was pretty much by myself, just waiting on my wife and cooking rice. I don't know what is going on. Got my baby ultrasound. Can't wait to start buying some stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what it's gonna be, a boy or girl. But I guess we'll see. I think it's gonna be, I don't know. I'm gonna call it right now. It's gonna be a girl. And then if I'm wrong, I'll come back and be like, yeah, I was wrong. But we'll see. I might be wrong. I ain't no genie. I'm getting sick, my nose. Goddamn. Checking out Instagram right now, see what's popping, but ain't nothing popping. Let's check out the TikTok.
Little extra love. The dog's name is Tam, and he's lived.
Ain't nothing popping on TikTok.
Sunshine. My name is Teresa. Randy, Ren, you, I'm tired. I know what right.
It's actually, I mean, the weather feels good because there's no sun today, but kind of today's Saturday in the Philippines, baby. Yeah, today's Saturday over here. Tomorrow's Sunday already. Body run. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. Like whenever you don't work, like whenever you work for like a day job, you know, you don't even know what day it is sometimes. Like I be waking up, be like, damn, today's Saturday, shit, hell yeah, you know. If it's Friday, in America, you would, you know, you wait for Friday, because most of y'all be like your days off. So Friday, you already know you're going home. You got the weekend off. So Friday, you will go out, chill, whatever. You drink, whatever. But yeah. Um, I mean, the year in the beginning of the year, because there's a lot of things going on. Like 2024, we got our first baby coming, our firstborn. Wow, hell yeah! I'm excited. And if things work out, then I'm gonna build a small house on our lot. But it just depends, you know. We sell the PVC,